Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Shirley and today I will be showing you how to make traditional Lancashire hot pot. This is a very warm, hearty, family-friendly meal. So if you would love to learn how to make this delicious hot pot with me, stay tuned and let's get started. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of lamb cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 onions sliced very thinly, and 2 or 3 bay leaves, 3 medium-sized carrots cut into chunks like this, 4 or 5 medium-sized potatoes sliced, 2 cups of vegetable stock, 1 heaped tablespoon of plain flour, some ground black pepper, some salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, some Worcestershire sauce, and some oil. So let's get started. Step 1. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil together. Then add in the lamb and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until browned. Step 2. Once your lamb has slightly browned, cook your sliced onions for about 3 minutes until soft and slightly golden. Step 3. Now add the lamb back into the pan. Then add the flour and stir in. Allow this to cook for 1 minute. Then add in the vegetable stock, bay leaves, a 1/4 tablespoon salt, a 1/4 tablespoon pepper, and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Cover with the lid and transfer to cook in the oven for 30 minutes. Moving on to step 4. Now add in the carrots and transfer this to a casserole dish. Then layer with the potatoes in circular motion. Brush this with some melted butter and then sprinkle with some dried thyme. Now cover your casserole dish with some foil and the lid. Allow this to cook in the oven for another hour. Step 5. After an hour, remove the foil from your casserole dish and allow this to cook for another 30 minutes in the oven until your potatoes are crisp and golden brown. Well, we're all done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you will try this delicious recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.